Look at that. We got a supercharged Cobalt. Heck yeah. Hey, what's going on, guys? Okay, so if you guys remember in our last video, we went and completely like rattled Ken that 240. So update, we traded that 240 because the SR20 in that had a rod knock, and so we didn't want to deal with it, and we traded it for our buddy, or with our buddy, and we ended up getting this Cobalt SS. I haven't been making any videos on it because I lost my phone charger for a minute, and yeah, lost my phone charger, couldn't charge my phone and necessarily edit videos from it, but it's all good. But we're getting this Cobalt traded now for a pretty sick turboed Honda. It's a huge one. Definitely don't want you guys to miss it. So I'm in this car or truck with my boy Jorgen over here, and he came to visit us. And yeah, we're just gonna be trading this Cobalt today. So it'll be. I don't know. I can't see the reaction. Brian, look at that, supercharged. Did he wave him back? Did he wave back yet? Ah, oh, damn it.
Hannah waved back.
Is it? All that torque, though.
Gas scissors.
What does that mean when they do that? It says skizzers. We're gonna say goodbye to this bad boy, sadly, but it's okay. We're gonna be getting a boosted Honda, so it'll be dope. It's gonna be dope. What are we getting today, Brian?
Cool stuff.
Cool
Honda.
stuff. Honda. You got a Honda. You excited about this Honda?
Yeah, I guess.
Like, yeah, I'll accept it.
It'll be fun. I mean, I don't have a choice. So.
True.
At least it's a sick Honda.
Yeah,
cool.
True. Oh man, this thing sounds great. Hey, all right. Get a full walk around of this bad boy. So we got the Honda.
Pointer spring.
I know, it's all. Ah. I'm kind of just waiting for him to do a first gear pull.
I know, I've been waiting for it too.
Yeah, I'm surprised he hasn't done it. Oh, there he goes. See ya. You smell that? Okay, I'm sorry if your window gets stuck, Jorgen. You can hear it too, that's so sick. Dude, you can hear that thing from out here. That thing is so loud. Well, that's gone. Throw that in the trash bag. What do you think of the Honda?
It's fucking sick. But yeah, you need to be careful on it.
Yeah, I
It's
totally agree.
That's like a ticket waiting to happen. In that, with him driving that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dude, if I was in Brian's boat though, I'd be the exact same way because I have a heavy foot. I tend to go fast all the time.
Yeah.
So it's just I haven't been pulled over or caught for it yet.
I've been pulled over twice.
Really?
Yes. Sometimes I got.
What's up, guys? So, it's new year, new me. No, I'm just kidding. No, but what we're doing today is we're gonna be taking the Honda out for a hoon, and so right now we're just trying to jump start it, and the cold is not really working out with us. So we're gonna give it a second to charge. Brian over here is pouring some E85. This car is fully on E85, and so it's pretty rough. This is how we fill up our tank.
Nearest pump's in Orem. That's like an hour away.
Yeah, the nearest pump is in Orem. It's not an hour away. It's like 30 minutes.
Yeah,
It's about
30 there, 30 back.
that is, yeah, true. 30 there and 30 back. And so yeah, but it's okay because it gets this bad boy up and going. Look at this Turbski. Look at that. Whee. It's pretty sick. So yeah, he's gonna take me for my first pull in it because I still haven't gotten a ride. So we're gonna get my reaction and both of our reactions, and then we'll probably get some sick rollers of it. I don't know what the plan is, but just at the moment we're just gonna go have fun. So that's what our plan is for today. Right, Brian?
Yep. Smells like corn.
Look at all that corn. It's the worst.
It just dries your hands out really bad.
Yeah. Look at that, the reflection. Here's the interior. Interior's not too shabby. It's completely stripped though.
What interior?
What interior? True. Battery and all that fun stuff. We got a 4-point harness in here. Gonna go take some rips. Got a boost gauge and all that fun stuff. So it's gonna be dope.
4 point, not a 12 point.
I said 4-point.
Oh, this is a 12-point harness.
Innovative mounts. We got a big, let's see, what is it? Big Garrett turbo. AEM fuel rail. Let's see, what else do we got in this bad boy? Got some Eagle camshafts. Let's see. We got a sick ass alternator in there. We got a JDM starter. Nah, I don't even know. Could be. Mishimoto intercooler. Mishimoto radiator hosing. Is this a Mishimoto? This radiator Mishimoto? I don't know. What is it? Our intercooler, I think, is, I don't know, speed? I'm not sure. We just got a sick intercooler. And then some of this nice turbo piping. And let's see. Skunk. This is a Skunk 2 Pro Series, right?
Yeah, the intake manifold.
Yeah, so the intake is a Skunk 2 Pro Series. And then you got that fuel lab. I believe that's I'm guessing a fuel regulator. I don't know. What is that? The fuel lab thingy.
Huh?
What is that fuel lab thingy? This red little guy. A regulator?
Yeah, it just adds more pressure into the fuel lines.
Gotcha, okay. And then K&N, I guess. Alright, that's what I was about to say, but I wasn't sure. Or is this the catch can? Oh no, this is the radiator overflow. Okay, never mind. But yeah, that's it. That's a little Honda.
For like roll-by and stuff.
Alright guys, so we're in the Honda now. We're in the Civic. And my first time ever being in a 4-point harness. And I'm not gonna lie, it's a little confusing still. Still trying to figure out how to tighten this bitch.
Are you ready?
Wait, one sec. Alright, yeah, man. Oh shit. Is that when you hit boost? Be like, I'm hitting boost! Oh shit! Oh my god! That was awesome. Was that your full boost? No, oh shit. Oh my god. Oh my god.
You should have seen a smile on your face, boy.
Dude, I love boosted cars so much. Oh my gosh. It's okay, I caught it on camera, so I'll be able to see it. Honda and then boost it? Let me know in the comments. What do you think, Brian?
I think you should go with a Honda.
I think I should too. I'll be honest. This is really fucking fun.
I bet you I gave some people a heart attack with that two-step.
Alright.
Yeah, feel kind of bad.
Oh my god. That is awesome. This thing screams. Look at those beautiful mountains. Thing is dope. Stoplight.
Dude, Hannah's gonna get mad.
Why?
I didn't do pull that hard with her.
Really?
Yeah. I need to though.
Yeah.
That was good. Dude, that last one was. I gave it more on that one.
Really?
It doesn't work that well because all I do is spin. So if I just threw all of it at it, I would just spin.
Yeah. Thing is awesome though. I love it. Dude, this thing is so crazy. I want one really bad. I want one. Mom, can I get this for Christmas next year? No, I'm just kidding. What's up, dude?
What day is it today?
Thursday?
Oh, it's Friday.
It's Friday?
Yeah,
No, it's not. It's Thursday.
it's Friday.
No fucking way. What the hell? Oh, today's my Friday. I only
I was like, why are the school lights on? When we left the house, it was like 1:30 here.
makes sense. Okay.
Alright, Zach, I'm gonna give you something, ready? Look, I don't care how cool, how fast you are, you never fuck around in a school zone. Not because like the police or tickets or anything like that, but because I know I wouldn't want some dumbass like me to fuck around with my kids.
Right.
So like, dudes, don't ever fuck around in a school zone.
Amen. Amen to that, brother.
Don't drink and drive, you're just stupid, you're not talented.
Yeah, don't do that. Trust. So, I am lost for words. I'm not gonna lie. This is probably the coolest thing I've
I should
ever
have said
been
VTech just kicked in, yo. I forgot to say that.
in. VTech just kicked in!
Dude, Hector just bought 3 spoon engines and a bottle of NOS.
Oh my god. Ugh. Ow. Ooh, that didn't feel good on my back. I hit my back right there on the thingy. Alright guys, well, we're back home. That's gonna be the end of the video. Hopefully we'll get some pulls tomorrow night and we'll be able to take down some foos. Alright guys, we're gonna do one more pool and we'll probably go parking because there's a lot of heat outside for cops. But like I said, we're gonna try and do one more pool. And this thing is fucking crazy. Holy shit. Dude, yeah. Dude, this thing is so fucking fast.